Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the logo size on your WordPress blocksy mobile menu. Okay, so let's get started by, well, first let's open the customizer. So it's open a new tab. This opens the WordPress customizer. And let's set up our mobile view by pressing F12 on our keyboard, and that takes us to the console. And if it's still on desktop mode, there's a button over here, toggle device toolbar or Control-Shift-M, and it allows us to see our menu here. So we have our header here and we have our menu, and let's say we want to make this logo a bit larger. Okay, so let's go on our customizer and let's head down over here to the bottom. We have desktop, tablet, mobile. Let's select mobile and let's click on header. And there's two ways that we can add a logo to our mobile menu. We can either remove the logo here and just put it onto our menu, right? And then we can have our logo here on the top, but it really depends on what you want. So I'll show you the two ways. And the other way to have, the way to have a logo both here on your header and on your menu is to use the widget area or this HTML over here, right? So we can add media, we can add our logo here. But right now, let's go ahead and focus on the widget area. We can click on that, and we have a block here, and we can align this in the center, and it should put it, and for the spacing, we can change the spacing on mobile. So for padding, we can put left padding to be 25 pixels, if that does anything. Okay, maybe 50 to center it up. Maybe a bit more, 65. Okay, and we can resize it by clicking enable resize, and we can just drag and drop this, drag the sliders larger or smaller, right? And that's how we resize it. Alternatively, we can put this here on our header and put our logo over here. And you'll see that it's small here, and on our header it's, oops, how do we go home? You can see it's squished here, so we can squish this up a bit. And it's going to be centered, right? But on our menu, we can click on logo here, and these are global settings for mobile, and we can just change logo height here, right? And we can also add a margin. Let's say 50. Was it a while ago? We can do that as well. So I think it makes more sense to just keep the logo here on our header here and just edit the widget area version. Let's unsquish it. And then let's make it a bit larger this way, a bit larger this way. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our preferences. Let's double check. Let's reload our site and see our changes. And there's how you resize your logo on your WordPress blocksy mobile menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.